Good evening, everybody. This is a take two. I originally recorded this video. I messed everything up in the original video. It took me 48 minutes to code something up and failed miserably at nearly every single step. I eventually got it, but it took me 48 minutes. After reviewing the footage, I didn't think it was essentially good enough, so I'm going to completely rewrite what I did. Completely rewrite what I did. I've completely deleted everything I had, so I'm not going to be going back for looking at my old code or just showing it up right away. I'm literally just going to be writing it straight down to scratch, straight writing it straight from scratch. And I have given myself a I'm going to set a stopwatch and see how quickly I can do it. And then we'll go over, at the end of the video, I'll go over a couple of things that I would have passed over. So straight away, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write just a simple web page that will output a single joke at a time from this lovely little public API called iconhasdadjoke.com, and essentially we're going to call this through a JavaScript, make an API call using the Ajax function, get the data back and output it onto the screen straightforward. I'll leave a link to this great little GitHub page which has loads and loads and loads of public APIs that you can use for personal projects or professional projects. There's some really cool ones. Some really cool ones in here. The Spotify and all things. So I'm gonna go for the really simple, easy one, and the one that kind of appeals most to my sense of humor, because you don't need to be a dad to make dad jokes. So first off, we're going to go on the page, look at the documentation. We're going to essentially get the random dad joke endpoint, which is essentially just their simple domain. So first thing I'm going to do. So before I do that, let's hit the stopwatch and let's go. Excellent. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is, for time reasons, obviously, I'm going to just take this from the Bootstrap snippets, and just going to generate a really quick and easy, Java Bootstrap page. So paste. There we go. There's my page. We're just going to call this. We're going to put this on brand, so we're going to call it "Let's Talk About Dad Jokes." I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to change this script source to app.js. There we go, and just going to save this in the directory, which is an API project, new folder, and let's talk about dad jokes. Yeah, we're 1 minute in. We're going to pop it in this folder. Just call it index.html. Whatever that spelling was. Cool. We're almost good to go. So let's first start by creating this app.js. So let's go new file. I'm just going to save it. Called it app.js. Now that should I'm not going to open the page yet, and we're going to just first off the fly. You can see we've already got jQuery loaded in. We're just going to add a HTTPS to this because we're running this locally. We're not running it on its own server or anything. And the first time I did this, it wouldn't load in because of that. So we're going to just write a document, ready function. that's gonna be enough. Then we're just gonna write our Ajax function as well. So let's just put that, and then put our, oh, what was that? There we go. I think that's correct. Let's find out. So URL. All right, we're gonna just put our we're gonna do our URL. We're gonna do what the we're gonna do our success, and we're also gonna do an accept header as well. So we're just gonna go headers and accepts. That's nope, that's not correct. Accepts. This is where I might need to look it up. Application.json, comma, and then so the URL straight off the map. I know it's this one here, so I'm just going to copy this, paste it here into like that, and then we're going to write a success function which takes data and console.log data. Let's see if this works. 3 minutes. That is relatively slow, but it's faster than 48 minutes. Have we? Okay, so we have a blank screen, which is right, and oh look, we have a huh. Interesting. Okay, so it obviously has something to do with our headers. So let's just take this out for the time being. Let's see if it works then. Okay, it works. So last time I did this, I didn't really write it there. I wrote it here. There's probably, yeah, that's done that now. So let's do what I always do. So accept header Ajax jQuery. Here we go. I've already looked this up. And accept. Ah, I've written accept, haven't I? There we go. There we go. Right. Okay. Ta-da! We've got a joke. So now I just want to output it onto the screen. So now that I've got it, we're just going to write a small div. It's not going to be anything fancy. It's just going to be a div. Maybe a well. Let's use a well. Wells are cool. And then we'll put a, because it's I suppose a joke, put it in a block quote, class of joke, close the block quote, and then I'm going to, instead of console log on the data, I'm just going to write a variable called var joke is equal to, let's have a look at the data really quickly because it's 5 minutes in. Oh, okay, so it's just joke. So we can say data.joke, and we can just say then, we can say joke dot, oh, nope, not in that. Could use in it. No, it doesn't really matter what, we can, but we're going to use that. Bing, bong. Look at that, there's our joke. So we can refresh this now, and it'll give us a new joke. Simple, easily done. Wonderful. There we go. That's 6 minutes. Okay. So how long have I got? How long is? Yep. Okay. This one. Let's write just a quick button that'll just. Yeah. Let's write a button. Do it. Let's just do it. So let's take this Ajax out. Let's put in its own function. This is where we're going to see if anything if it actually works. Turn. Actually, we don't even reach it. We're just going to set it. So that's fine. I'm going to say that and then just say my function here. Function. Let's just double check it still works. Yep, still works. Cool. Right. So now we're just going to add a really quick button. So let's just say, just do a span, because I don't like using actual buttons. Yep, button success, and we'll just say new joke. And just add this as new joke, and then we're gonna say oh my god, I've forgotten it. New joke dot click function there we go. Let's see if this works. Ding 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 ding. Done. 8 minutes. Pause. Wonderful. That didn't take us very long at all.
What the hell was that?